Are your Amazon ads losing you money? Is your brand missing out on a massive opportunity for growth? Or are you going to launch a new brand on Amazon? Don't worry, we've got the solution you've been searching for. Hi, Amazon Ads Manager. I'm a member of the exclusive Amazon Ads Research Panel, a verified Amazon advertising partner, a top-rated seller on Fiverr with thousands of satisfied Amazon brands worldwide. I don't just run ads, I craft strategies that make your brand shine on Amazon. I can create all types of ads tailored to your needs, and my out-of-the-box strategies have a track record of breaking the myths about Amazon ads and delivering exceptional results. My total ad spending in 2022 is $2.2 million, generating over $33.5 million in sales revenue for my clients. So why wait? Reach out to me today and let's kickstart the growth of your Amazon brand.